Let's go.
Eyes and ears on Justin. Eyes and ears. Go. This is the most important time.
Hey, if you want to know who won, this part is kind of important in figuring that out. Okay? First thing I want to say is that all of you did extremely well. Regardless of what you walk out of here with as far as a piece of paper or maybe a prize of some sort, you should walk out of here knowing that each and every one of you has learned quite a bit this year, and you all did an excellent job. Okay, and I want to throw that out there. It's not just lip service. I'm not just saying it to make you feel good. As some of you know, if you screw up, I'm gonna check you, right? Right, Hunter? Yeah.
Justin, real quick, I just want to throw in, with the knowledge assessments this year, I don't think we've ever had scores on average that were that high. That's right. You guys
Good work.
You guys really rocked it up.
Yeah, give yourself a hand. So, if you weren't thinking it possible, you are capable of learning. And the way that I like to put this out there is that us as educators, if I could get your attention, please, all we do is put the tools at your feet. It was your decision whether or not you were going to pick them up, and you did. So congratulations to you. With that, I am going to start off with the winning teams. And we will start from the honorable mention. So, honorable mention, kind of fourth place. And one student can come up here and grab this. So, honorable mention for this year, Briggs Middle School. So, Briggs team, bring it on up. Everyone from Briggs, come on up.
Grab a prize. Grab a prize out of here.
Outstanding. Okay.
Use the circle. Take it we like put him over.
Okay, coming in third place, Agnes Stewart 2.
I got a blue flower one.
You don't come over here and at least give me a fist bump. You're all wrong. Come on. Bring it in there. Excellent job, guys. Excellent, excellent work. All right.
I really hope Agnes won one.
I know where to go.
All right.
You guys up?
Coming in second place, Coburg 1. If you're on Coburg, team 1, you should be up here. Come on.
They don't tell me I just won the day.
Come on out, grab it.
Agnes won.
Oh!
Everyone grab a prize.
Grab a prize.
Good job, Coburg.
The ball. I was just about to
First place.
All right.
This has a skull on it. No.
And our winning team this year, Kirsten.